Hello friends, after a long time I am back with a new video. Today's video is about a simple strategy that everyone can use. If you do what I say well and implement it, I guarantee that you will be successful and you will be able to profit from the market. Let's go to the trading view site and give a practical explanation of what we are going to do. First of all, let me say that the time frame used in this strategy is 15 minutes. In this strategy, we need two indicators that we add to our chart from the indicators section: SSL channel, NSTD harm. NSTD Harmer indicator needs settings. Go to the settings section and change the number from 55 to 100 in the marline length section. Then we disable the tables option from the style section. Now the chart is ready for long positions, as you can see in this section. Channel SSL indicator should change color from red to green. All components of NSTD Harmer indicator, including candlesticks and emerald line, should be green. In this situation, we open a long position and we put the stop loss under the last bottom and put the TP almost 5 times the stop loss. This was an example of taking a long position. It is a simple task and you will master it with a little practice, and you will be able to open a position and make a profit. This method is applicable in all markets and you can earn profit. I myself made a profit of almost 85% of my account balance last month using this strategy. Let's give a descending example. Let me find. For short positions, channel SSL indicator should change color from green to red. All components of the NSTD Harmer indicator, including the EMA line and candles, have a red rank. In this case, we open a short position and we set stop loss and TP. Be sure to pay attention that stop loss and TP are necessary and must be placed. At the same time, in this strategy, put a tip 5 times the stop loss. If you like the video and strategy, please like the video. Share with your friends so that everyone can benefit from this method. Also, write us all your questions and comments so that I can answer them myself. Let me give some examples. As you can see in this section, channel's SSL indicator has also changed from red to green, and so on. All components of NSTD Harmer indicator are green. And in this situation, we open a long position and place a stop and tip. The transaction is closed with profit. In this situation, the color of SSL channel has changed from green to red, and all components of the NSTD Harmer indicator are also red. Therefore, we open a short position and we wait until it closes with profit. We have reached the end of the video. I hope you liked it and liked it. Like all the previous videos, at the end of my work, I will give several more examples so that you can better understand the topic and see and learn how to open the menu position. See you soon in the next video.